To deploy an HTML CSS project on Vercel using GitHub, start by creating a repository for your project. Head to github.com, click the New Repository button, give it a meaningful name like My Website or Portfolio.site, and create it. You'll see an empty repository page with setup instructions. Open your terminal in your project folder. You'll need to push your files to GitHub using git. Run git init, then git add dot, then git commit -m initial commit. After that, git branch -m main. Then git remote add origin, followed by your repository URL. And finally, git push -u origin main. Refresh your GitHub repository page and you'll see all your files there. Next, go to vercel.com. If you don't have an account, click Sign Up in the top right corner. If you do, click Log In. When prompted, connect with GitHub. You'll see a GitHub authorization prompt. Authorize Vercel to access your repositories and you'll be redirected back to Vercel. You'll land on the Vercel dashboard. In the top right area, click the Add New button, then select Project from the dropdown. A new page opens showing your GitHub repositories. Find the repository you just created and click the Import button next to it. You'll be redirected to the Configure Project page. You'll see fields for project name, framework preset, root directory, and other settings. For framework preset, select Other since you're deploying plain HTML and CSS. If your index.html is at the root, override the output directory field with just a period. This tells Vercel to look at the root of your directory. Scroll down and click the Deploy button. Vercel starts building your project. You'll see a build progress screen with logs. Within 10 to 30 seconds, your site will be live. Once deployment finishes, you'll see a success screen with your project dashboard. You'll get a unique URL in the format your-project-name.vercel.app. Click that URL to test your live website. Every time you push new code to your GitHub repository, Vercel automatically redeploys your site. No manual trigger needed. If you want a custom domain instead of the vercel.app URL, go to Project Settings, then Domains, and add your own domain there. Your deployment URL is always available on the project dashboard. That's how to deploy your HTML CSS project on Vercel.